Your front door is held together by 3 screws the size of your pinky fingernail. The deadbolt you think is protecting you, it is mounted to a piece of decorative trim that a determined 12-year-old could rip off with a crowbar. Every 26 seconds, someone's home gets broken into in the United States. Most of them had locks. Most of them had alarm company stickers. And all of them thought they were safe. Here is the truth. You don't need a $10,000 security system. You don't need reinforced steel doors or ballistic glass. You just need to be slightly harder to break into than the house next door. Let me show you how a burglar sees your house. They're not standing outside taking notes for 20 minutes. They're doing a 10-second scan. Windows visible from the street. Entry point.
Overgrown bushes blocking the front door? Cover.
No cars in the driveway. No lights on at 8 p.m. Nobody home. Package sitting on the porch for 2 days? Jackpot. Let's start with your front door. The thing you probably think is the strongest part of your home security. See that little metal plate where your deadbolt slides in? That is called a strike plate. Now look at those screws. Half-inch long, right? Those screws are biting into trim, not the wall, not the stud. Decorative wood trim. One kick. That is all it takes. Step 1. Replace every screw in your strike plate and hinges. Get 3-inch screws, minimum. Drive them deep until they hit the wall studs behind the frame. Now, when an impact occurs, the force transfers into the framework of your home. They will break their foot before they break your door. Step 3. Barricade physics. Grab a wooden dowel or a chair. Jam it at a 45-degree angle from your door handle to the floor. It is geometry. It is free. Let's talk about windows. Window locks are designed to keep the window closed, not to keep people out. A screwdriver, a pry bar, a rock, any of those will get through a window in under 30 seconds. Option 1. The duct tape grid. Crisscross every ground floor window with duct tape. When glass breaks, it shatters into 1,000 pieces. Taped glass? It spider webs. It holds. An intruder breaks your window, and now they are faced with a sticky, jagged mess that is shredding their hands. And it is loud. Every piece they pull away sounds like someone eating chips in a library. Sliding glass doors are an architectural joke. Most of these units can be carefully moved out of their guides with a steady grip and a bit of focus. The track bar. Cut a piece of wood to fit exactly in the track when the door is closed. Now the door cannot slide. Simple. Effective. Bonus. The grease trap. Smear the outside handle with grease or oil. Make it disgusting to touch. Your garage door can be opened in 6 seconds with a coat hanger. Push a hanger through the top gap, hook the emergency release, pull. Boom! There it is. Step 1. Zip tie that release handle. Step 2. Unplug the opener. No power means no automatic opening. They would have to manually lift 150 pounds of door. Security isn't just physical. It is mental. The fake dog. Put out a giant steel water bowl. The kind for a Rottweiler. Even a 10% chance of a dog is enough to make most burglars pick the house next door. The work boot signal. It suggests a large person who owns tools that double as weapons. Gravel alarm. Dump bags of gravel under windows. You cannot walk on gravel quietly. Every step sounds like a snare drum. Biological barriers. Got rose bushes? Drag them under the windows. If someone gets through, you need one last line of defense, the safe room. Inside that room, charged phone, flashlight, weapon of choice, water. Train your family with a code word. When they hear it, everyone goes to the safe room. Criminals operate on a risk-reward calculation. The 3-minute rule is real. If it takes longer than 3 minutes, they bail. Your reinforced door. 3 minutes of kicking. Your fake dog. Instant psychological doubt. Your gravel path. Constant noise, anxiety. You just became the house they walk past.